Are you a hands-on learner that's been thinking about a different type of high school experience? Are you interested in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning? If so, check out our programs for HVAC at both the West Hampton and the Medford campus. The average HVAC technician earns over $52,000 a year, and that number only increases as they become more experienced. Find your passion and choose a career in the HVAC industry. What qualifications do I need? Good eye-hand coordination, physical dexterity, mechanical and mathematical aptitude, and some states require licensure by passing a written exam. But don't worry, we'll help prepare you for it. What do HVAC technicians do? They cover it all: motors, compressors, pumps, electrical wiring, and computerized switching in commercial and residential structures. HVAC technicians are always piecing things together as they install, repair, and maintain heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Let's take a peek at the HVAC shop. Students in the HVAC program learn foundational skills that can be used in many different career clusters. Our HVAC program has partnerships with various companies in our area for student internships as well as employment placement after graduation. Students graduating from the HVAC program enter the workforce with industry credentials and awards. For additional information, visit us at burcoschools.org. We'll help you discover your potential.